here we are out on a nice rock ledge here. Little point coming out. My dad's got him a couple nice catfish poles here, a couple long ones and a little short one. And then we've got a few back here. We've got one thrown here in the trees that seemed to do real good last time. Caught us a nice fish. And then of course, don't step on the pole. And then yeah, he was in the middle of a bite, so he dropped his rod and he was going for this big pole. That's the second time it's got a bite. It's brought that big perch all the way in and then just didn't have a perch on it a minute ago. And it was a nice one too. But we've just got them thrown here. They're stuck here in the back of the truck. Got one down there with a Christmas bell on it. Ready to rock and roll. Crossing fingers we catch something. Everything is live except for that one little short pole right here. That one had a dead perch on it. Last time we had crawdads and perch, and we did pretty good. Flathead and a couple channel cat. Nice sunset. Beautiful dragon in the sky. And the moon.